Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on a new housing development that's going to be done in Trelawny. It's called Trelawny Hamptons. Now the north coast of Jamaica is doing extremely well when it comes on to developments. Draxall completely sold out. Runaway Bay, thousands of homes being built. Richmond, thousands of homes being built. And as you build them, you find that people, especially in the diaspora, are buying them up even before the development is finished. Now, this development is they're going to do the groundbreaking in 6 months. I'm sure it's just a matter of time, probably a few weeks before the units are sold out. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Now, the tourism sector in Jamaica is doing very well, and the North Coast is seeing the most development in terms of tourism. Hotels, residential units that people buy mostly for Airbnb rentals, it's doing extremely well, and that's why you're finding more and more as they do a development, the next one is even bigger and bigger and bigger. So Fosrich, which is the company that deals with lighting, they are entering the real estate market with a multi-million dollar project where they're going to develop 100 acres of land in Trelawny. Fosrich Group's Chief Executive Officer Cecil Foster announced plans for a visionary development dubbed the Hamptons Trelawny during a Jamaica Investment and Housing Forum at the Resort World Hotel in Queens, New York. The multi-million dollar project, strategically targeting diaspora investors and local professionals, aims to transform 100 acres of the picturesque fishing village of Salt Marsh into a premier residential community. Overlooking the Falmouth cruise ship pier, the development promises to bring world-class amenities to Trelawny while creating new opportunities for investment and economic growth. It is going to be very, very unique, Mr. Foster said, noting that the project will deliver over 600 housing units ranging from modern apartment complexes to elegant standalone homes with 2, 3, and 4 bedroom options. He said that the Hamptons' holistic approach to community building sets it apart from other housing developments, with thoughtfully designed lifestyle amenities including extensive jogging trails stretching up to 550 meters, strategically placed gazebos for outdoor recreation, and an environmentally conscious bird sanctuary within the gated community. Jamaica needs something like this, Mr. Foster stated, noting that the development addresses the growing demand for integrated living spaces that combine comfort, security, and lifestyle amenities. With groundbreaking to be undertaken in about 6 months, the project represents one of the most ambitious housing developments in Jamaica's recent history. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now the development is 600 units. Let's say the project represents one of the most ambitious housing developments. But I'm sure there are developments in Jamaica that are more than 600 units. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.